You ever wonder why people do some of the things they do? My neighbor here, nice clean area, looks good. Neighbor next door, nice clean area, looks good. But this guy here, I don't know what he's got going on. Hey guys, Jerry here, Big Dog Denz. So I was talking about the Peter McKinnon B-roll challenge. I hadn't done it yet because I live in a pretty boring area. There's not a lot to see, but he made a good point. To be creative, you gotta find things that other people don't see and turn that into something. So I went to work, construction, and took some B-roll. See if I can put it together and make something out of it. Check it out. Alright, so that wasn't too bad. Need a little work. Practice makes perfect, right guys? So what I do want to show you is the rig I'm using. This is just my cell phone. Okay, got a Galaxy. I've got the Rode mic hooked up into a phone bracket, and I added the hot shoe mount, and then this is just sitting on a Joby Gorilla Pod. And I video and I can hold this out. That's what I like about this, is you can change these up if you want to go here, and also you can pull this up and it gives you some stability when you're doing a recording. Very handy, useful device. Fits in your pocket. I'm shooting 1080p on the standard camera app, taking it in Premiere Pro, adding a little bit of color grading, slowing the footage down. Nothing hard. Just need some practice. Practice makes perfect. Jerry with Big Dog Movies. Catch you later.